Review: Red Tiger Dashcam Front Rear 4K 2.5K Full HD Dual Dash Camera for cars. Looking for a powerful, reliable, and feature-rich dashcam that records crystal clear footage both day and night? Then the Red Tiger Dashcam Front Rear might just be your next best investment. In this in-depth review, we break down all the features, performance, pros and cons, and real-world usage of the Red Tiger 4K 2.5K Full HD Dash Camera. Whether you're a frequent driver, a rideshare operator, or just someone who values car safety and evidence in case of an accident, this dashcam has a lot to offer. What's in the box? When you purchase the Red Tiger Dashcam, here's what you get: 1x Red Tiger Dashcam front, 1x rear camera, 1x car charger with USB cable, 1x suction mount, 1x user manual, installation tools, and cable clips for tidy setup. The packaging is well organized and secure, giving a good first impression. Everything you need is included for a smooth installation, and the user manual is straightforward, even for beginners. Video quality: crystal clear recording. Front camera resolution 4K 3840 by 2160p. Rear camera resolution 1080p Full HD. Lens angle 170 degrees wide angle front, 140 degrees rear. The Red Tiger Dashcam delivers superior image quality. The front camera captures every detail in ultra-sharp 4K during the day and maintains excellent clarity at night. License plates, road signs, and distant objects are clearly visible, even in low light. Night vision technology. Thanks to its advanced Starvis sensor and f1.5 large aperture, nighttime footage remains detailed with reduced noise and great contrast. It uses wide dynamic range WDR technology to balance exposure, ensuring a clear image in both bright and dark areas. Advanced features that set it apart: GPS tracking. The built-in GPS module records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. This data can be crucial in case of an accident or insurance claim. You can view your routes on the Red Tiger app or PC viewer. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. With the Red Tiger mobile app available on iOS and Android, you can connect to the dashcam via Wi-Fi. Easily download, view, and share recordings without removing the SD card. This is especially useful for instantly sharing evidence with authorities or your insurance provider. Loop recording and G-sensor. Automatic loop recording ensures the camera never stops due to full memory. It overwrites the oldest videos when the SD card is full. The G-sensor detects sudden collisions and automatically locks the video to prevent it from being overwritten. 24-hour parking mode. The dashcam monitors your car even when parked. It can record short clips when motion or impact is detected. Note: hardwiring kit required for full parking mode features, sold separately. Installation and ease of use. Installation is relatively simple. Mount the front camera using the suction cup or adhesive bracket. Run the rear camera cable along your vehicle's trim and plug it into the main unit. Power the dashcam via your car's cigarette lighter or hardwire for a cleaner look and added features like parking surveillance. The user interface is intuitive, with a 3.18-inch IPS display and easy-to-navigate menus. The device boots up quickly, and setup only takes a few minutes. Real-world performance. We tested the Red Tiger Dashcam under various conditions: city driving, smooth footage, license plates captured with clarity. Highway speeds, no motion blur, recording remains stable and sharp. Nighttime, superior low-light performance thanks to the Starvis sensor. Rainy conditions, footage remains clear and useful. The camera performed consistently and didn't overheat, freeze, or restart during long drives. Pros and cons. Pros: 4K Ultra HD front camera for exceptional clarity. 1080p rear camera adds complete rear-end coverage. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for app-based control. Excellent night vision with Starvis sensor. Wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots. Reliable G-sensor and loop recording. Sleek, discreet design. Cons: rear camera cable may be short for larger vehicles, vans, SUVs. Parking mode requires separate hardwiring kit. App interface could be improved for easier navigation. Final verdict. The Red Tiger Dashcam Front Rear is a feature-packed, high-performance dash camera system that delivers outstanding video quality, robust safety features, and reliable daily operation. With 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, GPS, Wi-Fi app support, and night vision, it's ideal for anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. Whether you drive professionally or just want better protection in case of an incident, this dash cam is worth every penny. It balances premium quality and user-friendly features at a competitive price point. Where to buy? You can grab the Red Tiger dash cam on Amazon here. Insert your affiliate link here. Using this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Watch the full video review. If you haven't already, check out my full hands-on video review where I walk you through unboxing, setup, and actual driving footage to show you how this dash cam performs in real life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this review helpful. Let me know your thoughts or questions down below.